Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. I hope you had a great 4th of July, as did I. And today we're back with another video, and I'm super excited about this one because today we're smoking something that I've wanted to smoke for a very long time, and I'm finally getting to do it today. And we are making smoked venison tenderloins. That's right, we're making deer meat today on the channel. We're going to show you this beautiful, delicious citrus marinade that we're going to use, and then we're going to throw it on the Pit Boss Savannah Onyx Edition, low and slow until it's done, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. So I can't wait for you to see it. Let's get started. All right, what you're looking at here are 2 venison tenderloins. Now, venison, obviously not a very fatty piece of meat, very, very lean. You can see there's hardly any fat on there. And so we need to add some things to it because just throwing this right in the smoke as it is, it's gonna get tough. It's gonna lose a lot of flavor. It's not gonna taste very good. So we're going to marinate this today. So I'm gonna set these tenderloins to the side. So I have my nice Ziploc bag here. And now this is, like I said, a citrus marinade. So we're gonna start with a 1/2 cup of lemon juice. There's that. Next, an equal amount of olive oil. In there like that. Next, I'm gonna add 8 cloves of garlic. That's right. And there's 8. And then finally, we're gonna add equal parts salt and pepper, and this is about 2 teaspoons of each. All right, and now we'll just kind of mix that together in the bag there. Oh, it smells great already. Wow. And then it's just in with the tenderloins. Pretty easy. Okay, and now we'll kind of get as much of the air out of the bag as possible. Oh, that citrus smell. It's so fresh smell. Okay, and now we'll just kind of rub that around. You do want to make sure that your bag is sealed nicely. I've been on the wrong end of that a couple times. All right, now this is going into the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours. Ideally, do this overnight. We won't obviously do it overnight because I want to get this video done today, but we are going to put it in for about 3 hours, and that'll give the sun some time to go to the other side of the house so that it doesn't make filming very difficult. And then we'll be back out, we'll get the Pit Boss started up and show you how to smoke these delicious tenderloins. Okay, it has been 3 hours exactly. The Pit Boss is now fired up. We're running at 225 degrees Fahrenheit using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. Then right out of the marinade, go the tenderloins. Oh my gosh, does that smell good. Now I'm gonna use my Pit Boss meat probes here to make sure I can keep an eye on that internal temp. I'm gonna be going to about 140 today, which is gonna be not quite medium, a little bit under. That's gonna make a really, really nice juicy piece of meat. And at this temperature is probably gonna take about 1.5 to 2 hours. So I will see you then. All right, it's been 1.5 hours, and I just checked. The internal temp is right at 140. Let's take a look. Look how beautiful those are. Oh, those look so good. And now nothing left to do but take them off and try them. And here they are. Look at the juiciness. Ooh, that looks so good. A little slice here. Right down the middle. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, look at that. Look at that right there. That is gorgeous. Whoo! All right, now before I try this tenderloin, I am going to add just a little bit of a finishing amount of this fresh pepper. And that's just gonna continue to give it a little bit more flavor. And I just can't wait. So here we go. Whoop. Smoked venison tenderloin. Oh, looks so good. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Did I just make a tenderloin or did I just smoke butter? Because that's just like butter. I mean, it just, look at it, it's so tender. It's so juicy. Oh my gosh, this is insane. It's so good. Holy smokes, that's delicious. Listen, it's not gamey at all. In fact, you might make this and not tell people what it is, and they might not ever know that it's venison. It's that good. It has such just a wonderfully earthy flavor to it, and that marinade, the marinade is what does it. You gotta do the marinade. Well, I can't wait to get this inside, eat some more of this delicious tenderloin, but thank you once again for tuning in to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. That really does help other people find the channel. And make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And as always, make sure you comment down below to let me know what you'd like to see me make here on the channel. And if you're a tenderloin kind of person, check out this incredible beef tenderloin that we did not too long ago here on the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Check that out. It was absolutely delicious, and I'll see you next time.